Today we are going to deal with the poem Judas by Mervyn Morris. Let us see about the author. He is Mr. Mervyn Morris. His full name is Mervyn Eustace Morris. He was born on 21st February 1937. He is a poet and professor in the University of West Indies, Mona, Jamaica. He was one of the first academics to emphasize on the importance of nation language to define in verse the important aspects of Jamaican culture. In 2009, Morris was awarded the Jamaican Order of Merit. In 2014, Morris was appointed the Poet Laureate of Jamaica, the first to be accorded the title since the country's independence. He has published several volumes of poetry and has edited the works of other Caribbean writers. His collections include The Pond, Shadow Boxing, Examination Center, and one on Holy Week. He also edited the Faber Book of Contemporary Caribbean Short Stories and published Is English We Speak and other essays. The best known poem by Morris include Little Boy Crying, Family Pictures, Love Is, 1, 2, Home, The Roaches, The Pond, and Critic. In 1992, he was a UK Arts Council visiting writer in residence at the South Bank Centre. He lives in Kingston, Jamaica, where he is Professor of Creative Writing and West Indian Literature. Morris generally stresses upon the importance of nation and its language through his verse. He wants to redefine the aspects of Jamaican culture and their Creole language. So let us see about the poem. So this poem, Judas, is a representation of history by the point of view of the victim. He had deconstructed the real and the past, that is, deconstructing the already existing ideas. Also wanted to say that the colonized people's ideas and life thoughts are not accepted, whereas the colonizers' ideology, life, and thoughts were accepted. The poet uses the word master and lord in this poem for Christ in order to avoid the religious conflict. Though he describes the pathetic condition of colonized people in the poem, the comparison used in this poem is quite controversial. However, the poet tried to escape the controversies through his careful selection of words and diction. So this is all about the introduction of the poem.